Okay, I'm just going to do a quick video on a way you can cheaply, possibly, who knows with inflation, check your own engine light and also test your mass airflow sensor. First off, I bought this a few years ago off eBay for 10 bucks. You can look at that, see if you can find it on there. But anyways, it's 10 bucks a few years ago. And it just goes down here. You plug it into your OBD2 port. That's where mine is. The light comes on because it's got power. And then you'll download, I downloaded a torque light. Now watch, my problem about this torque light is there's a few that want to charge you to do anything. Some seem like they're free, then you go to like do anything, then it asks for money. So you just got to keep going until you find one that works and keep deleting it. But anywho, let's open that up. Click on that. And standard message. Yeah, it said unable to save my data because I don't have an SD card in my work phone. And let's see if it's connected. It's checking. Let me turn the key on. That key's got to be on. That's the annoying ding, ding, ding. And we can now we can go in here. Now it's saying it's connected, and we can double check it by doing this. Come on, click on the little tool thing or the settings like on your phone. Come on. There we go. Now we can go to fault codes. Let's see if there's any pending faults in there. Hey, my wife sent me a message. There's nothing in there. Oh, looks like we got one. Well, you can click on it and sometimes it'll give you an explanation. There we go. Throttle position sensor AB voltage correlation. I'll have to look that one up and see what's going on. Like I said, it's pending, so maybe it's the drive cycle. It's fine. Let me show you something else here. So if you go into add displays, you can add different displays like dial, graph, and display. And that's for anything tack, vacuum, and all the different ones, and even what your O2 sensor are doing. Well, and down here you see these two for drive cycles. These will tell you the status of your drive cycle, how long to the next one, and all that. But the one we're going to look for here right now is the all data widget. And it's starting to come on. Might as well start the car. This is the one we're going to use to check the mass airflow sensor. It's going to have to warm up here. It's been sitting a little bit since the oil change. That's about right. So looking at about, now look at that mass airflow sensor. Data says 4.9 G's, grams per second. I'm not 100% sure. It doesn't really matter. And one below it is RPMs. Now, for every 1,000 RPMs, your mass airflow number should double. So let's see. We're pretty much at, let's just call it 800. So I'll take it up to 1,600. And we should hit 10, around 10 on that mass airflow number. My gas pedal is really soft, so this might be hard. There we go. Back it up a little bit. Closer to 1,800. Like I said, the pedal's soft, way below. There we go, 1,800. And there's our 10. They're bouncing around between 10. So basically, that tells me my mass airflow sensor's good. So anyways, that's just a simple test you can do to see if you're check engine codes. And also, the easiest way to test your mass airflow sensor, as opposed to just replacing it or probing it and all that stuff that could cause shorts, you just get yourself one of these. That'll be it. See ya.